Hi there, students. A wannabe. A countable noun. Okay, a wannabe is somebody who wants to be something but lacks the skill or the talent necessary. A wannabe actor. A wannabe politician. A wannabe footballer. Or a wannabe rock star. This phrase, a wannabe, is very critical. You're saying that they're trying to be something, or they want to do something, or to be part of a group which they are not a member. And this is usually because they don't have the qualifications, the abilities, the talents to become a member of that group or to do that thing. This girl is a Madonna wannabe with her dyed blonde hair and her short skirts, but she can't sing to save her life. So a wannabe, a cheap imitator, an amateur that wants to be the real thing. Also, normally a wannabe has an inflated idea of their own talents, of their own qualities. So a wannabe is somebody who vainly tries to copy the success of another, and they think they're really good at it, but they're not. Or you could have a product that emulates, that copies an existing successful product, trying to achieve a similar success. So this car is a BMW wannabe. It would like to have all the characteristics and it pretends to be, but it's not a BMW and it's never going to be. Schools are full of Lionel Messi wannabes. Kids who think they're the greatest footballer ever, and I'm going to be the new Lionel Messi. So a wannabe is pretentious enough to believe that they have the qualities of somebody really talented. It's pretty sad to be a wannabe and not to want to be yourself. Notice as well, this word a wannabe is informal. Yeah? It's very critical as well. It's saying somebody who thinks they have the talents of somebody else and they could be the new famous person, but they don't really have the necessary skills. So, what about formality? I think I'd probably give this 3.5, 4 in formality. This is a word to use in an informal conversation in the pub. I think maybe you could use it semi-formally, but formally there's no way. I think formally I might say a pretentious aspirant or something like that. Pretentious aspirant. I was trying to think for a long time of a formal way to say this that sounds good. Maybe you can think of one. And the origin, well, the origin is clear. It's want to be, which when native speakers speak, they normally say wannabe. I want to be there at 4 o'clock. A wannabe. So, a wannabe, somebody who copies somebody else, who wants to be part of a group, who wants to be something, who wants to be an actor or a pop star, who thinks they've got great talent and that they can make it. But in reality, they're just a cheap imitator, an amateur. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Wannabe.